What's up guys? Today it's me, Mr. Odd again. Today I'm gonna be playing one of my personal favorite games, Dead Race. You probably might have heard of this.
I called it! Let's go!
Did. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. I tried this game before, but I'm just hoping
More rare than the American edition, and we're out of sorts.
Yeah!
The lore, guys, the lore! We got a new piece of the puzzle. Golden Chica. Lore! Oh my god, no. Lore! Oh my god! Freddy, you bastard! No, not like this. No, not like the lore! No, he got too much lore!
Non-stop jabbering.
1, 2, kiss!
sucks. I actually don't know the difference. Maybe I can figure it out later. But let me get some coal. Bam. 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 Okay. Sack. And then over here, I just got this. No. This thing's so hard to play on the tablet. I mean, time ago. You know I gotta do it. Nostalgia. Okay. Come on, check it. Any buildings?